Daily useful sentences. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Devansh. What is your name?
My name is Arya. What is your school name?
My school name is Medium Child School. What is your school name?
My school name is Gita Vidya Mandir.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Anil.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Priya. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Santosh.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sonali.
I am 6 years old.
I am 7 years old.
I live in Aurangabad.
I live in Pune.
I am in Standard 1.
I am in Standard 2.
I have a brother. His name is Ansh. He is 4 years old.
I have a sister. Her name is Mrunal. She is 11 years old.
I like music. Do you like music?
I don't like music. I like cricket. Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have.
What is your friend's name?
My friend's name is Janvi. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching video.